To create a shadow, we need light. There are two sources of light. One is natural source and another is artificial source. Sun, stars are natural source because they are self-luminant. And coming to second one, torch, candle and electrical bulb are the examples of artificial source because they are not self-luminant. When the light falls on any object and if the object does not allow the light to pass through it, forms a black spot on ground, which resembles the shape of object. This is called shadow. Look here. For this experiment we need table lamp, white cardboard, objects like piece of stone, wood, metal and glass. Switch on the table lamp. Light from the table lamp should fall on cardboard like this. Now observe the shadows of different substances. First, rock. Then wood. Now metal. And finally, glass.
Bob, where is the shadow of glass?
Glass will not form a proper shadow, Joe.
Why, Bob?
Because some substances allow light to pass through it, like glass and water, which are called transparent substances. They don't form proper shadow. Okay Joe, I'll explain you clearly with a small and simple experiment. For this we need small aquarium, water, fish and light bulb. See, I have taken small aquarium with a beautiful fish. Make the light to fall on it from the top with the help of light bulb. What do you observe?
Bob, it's awesome!
Yes, Joe, it is. Light can pass through in glass and water because they are transparent to light. But fish is not transparent to light. Hence, the shadow of fish alone forms on the cardboard. Now let's have fun with shadows, Joe.
Oh, really? How, Bob?
See this.
Bob, it's really amazing. Thanks, Bob.
You're welcome, my dear.